Welcome back to Stay Peeled. So we have a MONSTRUM PANZER review here. It is a 1 to 10 to 24. There's some information there if you want to pause it. Warranty information. And some information on the end of this box. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get to the review. All right, here's the unboxing. Who doesn't like to do that? And here's the other items in the box. We'll get to that in just a second. Flip test on the lenses. Nice flips. All right, so overall, the optic is light. I believe it will be durable. There's your zoom, 1 through 10. And then here's your illumination for your reticle. So it starts off as 0 or off right here, and then 1. And then every other number, there's an off switch. So instead of dialing all the way back or circling all the way around to go back to the main off, each one, so that's level 1 and then off, and then level 2, then off. So that's awesome to see that you don't have to dial all the way back just to cut off the illumination. Very smooth. Also in the box contains the manual, lens wipe tools, additional screws, and a different throwing lever if you don't like the one that's already on there. Last but not least, scope rings. So this is where you mount your scope inside these rings, and it makes love on top of your gun, like so. Thank you for tuning in on this unboxing review on this MONSTRUM PANZER. MONSTRUM PANZER. Why is this so word so damn different? Stay tuned for an in-depth review. Subscribe and always stay peeled.